My name's Holly. I'm from the northeast of England and I'm doing the 200-hour Hatha course. I think it's knowing how different bodies work and making sure that there's a safe space for people of all abilities. But I think this teaching has been really good because you meet people from all over the world, loads of different backgrounds and stuff. So yeah, it's good. It was probably after our first student teaching. None of us were really very good at it, but you could just feel like the joy and the excitement in the room because we were actually just trying and it just felt good. The teachers are so ridiculously knowledgeable and they want to give you that knowledge, like they actively want you to be a good teacher, a good student, a good everything. So yeah, I mean, it can be quite intense, but they are so approachable and they're just so nice in and out of the classroom as well. I mean, India's the birthplace of yoga, so if you're going to do it anywhere, you may as well do it at India. But I think if there's like even an inkling of you that is a little bit interested in pursuing it, even as a teacher, or just you want to deepen your own practice, just do it. Like if you're scared, just get over that scared feeling and just come do it. It's class. I mean, I feel like I knew that yoga wasn't just the physical postures, but it's nice to see all of the teachers linking it all together. Like even in the anatomy classes, it's still brought back to the yogic philosophy and everything like that. So it really is just everything's interlinked and they know that here.